got the leg swing series. So chances are you've seen this before, but got to throw a video in there, make sure I'm coaching you up on it right. So I'm gonna start my left hand on the wall. Whatever hand I have on the wall, that is gonna be the side that I am moving, okay? So I'm gonna be going with my left leg. These are forward to backwards leg swing, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maintain my length here. So my height, I'm a blistering 5'8", so I'm gonna make sure I try to maintain that as I do this. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna swing the leg forward, I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna work as I go up of getting more height with my leg without sacrificing my vertical height, okay? When you go back, common thing for people to do on this one is they go too far back and then they lose this position and they let their torso come forward. You only maximally got around 10 degrees of hip extension, which isn't very much. So, I mean, like the leg going back about that much, you'll feel a little bit of glute and hamstring. Once you feel that glute and hamstring, just start going in the opposite direction, okay? So that'll be the forward, the backward leg swing. Now we'll do the side to side. So for the side to side, for this one, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna swing it across and I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna swing it across and I'm gonna open it up. Now you're gonna notice when I do this, look at my left foot. I don't have it flat on the ground. I'm allowing myself to pivot as I swing the leg through, and my eyes are following my foot, okay? One of the common things people do is they keep their foot flat, and then one, it limits how much you can open up the hip that you're actually swimming through that range of motion. Second thing is, when that foot is planted like that, that's just tons of MCL, LCL stress as you go through that with the foot fixed and all that momentum created, and you're basically putting all the stress on the ligaments to stop that movement at the knee. Just let the heel come off the ground. Then that way you can get more range of motion and it's safer for your knee.